Hello guys! Welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app and log into your account. Search for the video you want to add to a playlist and tap on the Save or Add to Playlist option below the video. Now, tap on Create New Playlist. Enter a name for your playlist and set privacy to public, unlisted, or private based on your preference. Finally, tap Create, and your playlist is ready. You can add more videos to it anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.